Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you propagation. So let me just quickly implement something. So if I add a div tag within here, I'm going to add another div tag. And you can add as many as you want, and the principle will essentially still be the same. I'm going to keep it simple and have two. I'm going to have an ID of, I don't know, yellow, an ID of red. You'll see why I'm calling these this in a second. We're going to do some inline style. Recommended that you generally don't do inline style, but for the sake of this video, we will. And I am going to do, what am I going to say? I'm going to put, what am I going to put? Background dash color is red. I think you can guess what I'm about to do for this one. And this is going to be yellow, and I need to close it. So let's just see what we actually end up with before we do any JavaScript. And I just need to put some text inside of here. So let's just put red box, yellow box, and now if I reload, there we go. We get these two boxes. I'm going to go a step further. And actually, so I'm actually going to increase this so we can see this a little bit better. I'm going to go a step further and add, I'm happy with that as it is. I'm going to have a height though, and the width is fine. I'm going to add a height of, let's say 200 pixels. I'm going to limit the width on this one though. And you'll see again in a second why, to about 100 pixels. Again, these are pretty much arbitrary values just to demonstrate propagation. And now if I reload it, there you go, we got this yellow box inside the red box. That's where I was getting at. Now let's do a button check when these have been clicked in jQuery. So dollar, now you just do your selector, which is hash red dot click function. And now I'm just going to say console.log red button clicked. I'm going to do the exact same, or I guess it's a slight difference because instead of being red, it's going to be a yellow button now, and it's going to say yellow button clicked. So let's just reload this, see what happens if I reload it. I click the red button, it's fine. But if I click the yellow button, we get, so let me just restart, or reload so you can demonstrate the point. I'm over the yellow button. I'm going to do one single click. It says yellow button and red button clicked, but we only click the yellow button. What happens is when an event occurs, it propagates through its parent elements as well. Because this is technically over this red box, this click will propagate through and go to any other ones that is essentially over. Like I said, you could have multiple nested elements. They don't have to be div elements, they could be images, whatever you want, and the principle is the same. You might want this, you potentially might, but I'd say most of the time this can be an annoyance. So to actually prevent it, luckily there's a really simple fix for it. So for the yellow button, we're just going to put event because we need to manipulate the event in some capacity, and we are going to say event. We'll just do, actually we can do the line at the end. It doesn't matter if it's at the end or at the start. Event.stop propa. Let's see if I can spell it correctly. Let's reload it and see what we get. If I click yellow box, only the yellow button, clicked console is logged. If I click the red box, only that is logged. So this prevents it from bubbling up. So it restricts it to itself. There are actually a few other methods that you can use in relation to propagation. There's one for basically checking if the propagation is stopped, stopping just the immediate propagation and not, all of the, propagation that go, I would say, let's say, grandfather, great grandfather elements. What I'm going to do is provide a link where you can see all of those different functions that you can use and manipulate. But if you understand what we covered here, you're all good to go. As usual, if you have any questions, you have any doubts, any concerns, or you just want to say hi, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.